Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to download the Crew Motorfest in iOS. So first up, you cannot download the Crew Motorfest directly on iOS because it is not available on the Apple App Store. The game is only available on PC, PlayStation, and Xbox consoles. However, you can play the game on an iOS device by using a cloud gaming service like GeForce Now, which allows you to stream the game from a server to your device. Step 1. Get the game on a supported platform. You will need to own the Crew Motorfest on a platform that is supported by the cloud gaming service you choose, such as the PC, PlayStation, or Xbox. Then, subscribe to a cloud gaming service. Sign up for a service that supports the Crew Motorfest, such as GeForce Now. Next, download the cloud gaming app. Download the app for your chosen service from the Apple App Store onto your iOS device. Next, link your accounts. Open the app and link your accounts for the platform where you own the game, and finally start streaming. You can now launch and play the Crew Motorfest directly on your iPhone or iPad through the cloud gaming app as long as you have a stable internet connection. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.